Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, because it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed makeup tutorial. And go ahead and follow the instructions if you want to do this at home. And then after that, I'm going to do a fake black eye using makeup. And then if we have time before the video's gotten too long, we will do a fake blood using makeup and water. But first, let's go ahead and get started with the Valentine's Day look. And for that, we are going to have to use a red or pink lip gloss color. This is a hot pinkish red, so put that on your lips. All over, there we go. Not too much or else you'll look unusual. And then we are going to take some blush, pink obviously, so kind that most of you probably already use. Take a little bit, put it on, obviously, what else would you do with it? Then you get a palette that looks something like this, that has any pink colors or something like that. Sorry, this is difficult. There. I'm going to be taking this color here and the other pinkish color and do a mix. Real quick, I'm going to use this brush instead because, yeah, lot. Is giving you guys any Valentine's Day vibes? Because it's giving me some. Okay, there's that. And then if you want, you can do some other things. If you have an eyebrow pencil or eyeliner or stuff like that, you can do that, but I don't have those things. So let's not do that, and let's go ahead and get started with it making you look like you have a black eye. But first I need to get all this makeup off using the makeup removers. Oops, wrong thing. Okay, makeup removers, chasing towelettes. Sorry, this is taking forever. I'm gonna get it nice and wet. I got the container that they're in soaking wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. There you go. It's soaking wet over here. Sorry. I just got some in my mouth. Need another wipe real quick. I'm not gonna wipe this one. There we go. Okay, all the lipstick's off at this point. It looks like it in the mirror. Doesn't really look like it on camera, but it's off. All makeup's off. There we go. Okay. Then, black eye time. Take a set that looks like this that has dark colors. Oh my god, you're so annoying. I said gosh, don't worry. Okay, at least I think I did. So annoying. Okay, that got stuck for a second. Thank you. Okay, I just got a bunch on my hands from that, and it somehow made my eyes burn, but I don't really care because it does not matter to me. And anyway, take the same thing as before. Take the darkest color. Didn't mean to get that right there. Already kind of looks like it, but whatever. Oops, put it in the wrong thing. I'm stupid, okay? Put it all down there. And both eyes. Then wet it a little bit. Okay, now it looks like you have a black eye and that you've cried like a lot after it. So now we are going to make it look like you are bleeding using this. A lot on my finger. Oh geez, okay, this is a bad idea. Why am I doing this? I don't really know. Okay, doesn't look like anything right now. And then you're gonna oh geez. Okay, now it looks like I have a really red spot right now. Okay, now it looks like I have a scar or that I'm bleeding on my face right now. And now I'm gonna make it look the same but on my hand. And yeah, put some, like this amount, on the center of your hand. Dab it a little bit. Rinse the water out of the rag onto your hand. Put your hand under the sink. Wet it a little bit while dabbing it. Add a little bit more. I put too much, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Then you're gonna, so that's what it looks like. Right now, it doesn't really look like it on camera, but it looks like it in real life. And then next, you're gonna make it look like it's turned purple. Next, you're going to take this eyeshadow from before, but using this. Then you're going to dab it on it, and it looks like that right now. And you're going to take the blush and dab it on there. And then take this pinkish red color, there you go, and then dab it on there as well. But I didn't get enough, so I'm going to get a little bit more of that. Now it looks like it is really old. Now it looks like you just got into like a big fight, but I'm going to go ahead and make some bruises on my arm real quick. Put some spots. See this? Looks like that right now. Just dab it out, spread it a little bit, then it looks like that. Then you're going to wet it just a little bit and smooth it out. Use the rag once again. Try it out. Then it looks like this. Now it looks like I'm in a really bad fight. And now you pink eye. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to become a pink princess / queen. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Goodbye.